Welcome, dear traders. Yesterday I was meeting a internet marketing expert, and he looked at my work so far. He gave some suggestions, and as we listened to that, he said, your videos and all that are good, but you have to understand, if you want to reach more people, you have to also go back to basics and explain things from zero, so to speak. So I'm acting on this suggestion here. So on the website you see we have the FAQ, frequently asked questions tab. So if you're completely new to all of this, this is a good way to start. Okay. Is forex manipulated? Yes, it is completely manipulated. I have shown that already in 2016. The smart money algos, they do not trade against each other, but they act in the form of a cartel. They see where the dumb money is positioned, where the stops are, and they are just following the principles as I've outlined via the market causality in order to make sure that the dumb money as a collective loses, okay, no matter whether they bought or sold or whatever. Are stop hunts real? Yes, of course, stop hunts are real. This is a known phenomenon, but it's only half of the overall bill, if that at all. It's more 30%. One has to understand also the positions which are taken into account. That the smart money algos will go for the stops, but subject to the positions. That way, they can make sure that the dumb money loses as a collective. If they would just go after the stops and would everybody win on the way, obviously the dumb money would win much more than it currently does. So they don't do that. They have to price in the dumb money positions. They have to make counter moves against the dumb money positions. They have to at least take the close stops. And then after, they can also complete the main target runs. We distinguish between short-term stops, medium-term stops, and long-term stops. Okay. The market causality, that's how I have turned all of this. It is the most elaborate approach in forex you will ever come across. There's nothing remotely close to it. Okay. We go far beyond stops and position hunting. We also incorporate option strike targets, order gap zones, squeeze modes, and for reversals and all these things. These are realities in the forex market. I have shown how this can be traded for several years. I've also traded live on YouTube for quite some time, as you know. These days I'm focusing more on the MK block summaries, but there's some of you who have followed me from the beginning, which is really nice. What is MK Web? That's our main product. That's where you can see all the charts with the different parts of information on there. This is a leading approach to market analysis and market predictions. We cover all the main pairs. We cover also gold, silver, Bitcoin on different time frames. How do I get started? It's a good idea to start with the free YouTube videos, and then later on maybe to do the course, then to subscribe to the MK Web, to do some demo trading, and then at some point to go live once you have proven yourself that you understand the market causality. What's the video course about? That's the 20% which were not publicly explained, the meter levels. What's the MK blog about? That's where I post my live analysis. If you can afford it, then also subscribe to that one. How long does it take to become a successful market causality approach trader? It depends, but maybe around a year. So that's pretty fast for forex. Most people need a minimum of 4 years. But some people are fast, some people are slow. It's all fine. How can I use a forum? Yeah, of course you can use a forum. The commercial section is only for subscribers. And yeah, we call this project Smart Money Lead FX, and we refer to MCA, Market Causality Traders, to the community. So anyways, I hope you like it. So if you're completely new, start reading this FAQ. All the best.